up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm at Bye Bye Baby. I just did a baby registry. When you do a baby registry here, they give you a free goodie bag. So we're gonna go in here and see what's in the goodie bag and is it worth it. I mean, it's free. We're here, might as well. All right, Peach Patch. So the bag says Bye Bye Baby, reusable and recyclable. That's what the bag says. A little brown bag, and inside we have some goodies. Let's see. So the first thing they got in here is some Pampers swaddlers. It's a mom to be registry gift, coupons inside. So it has some coupons in here, and it has some diapers. Let's open it up. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see exactly what it is. I could have did this at home, but honestly, y'all, I have a lot of vlogging to do. I'm trying to make sure I have a lot of videos, so when I do have the baby and I can't really come out, I'll be home and I'll have so much footage. So today is a vlogging day, which is why we're gonna do it in store. Peach Patch. So this is the Pampers swaddler for dry and healthy skin thing that's in here. It says stock your nursery. It has a coupon, $2 off Drift detergent, which is great for babies. It doesn't expire until the end of the year. $1 off 1 count of Pampers wipes. You can use these at Publix. Doesn't expire until the end of the year. I don't know what this is. March of Dimes. Okay. Pampers Club app. A sample size of Drift detergent. Some diaper wipes. There's 6 wipes in here. And then you have 1 newborn diaper. And it says babies go through 5 to 8 diapers a day. And it talks about their products. So that's not bad. A couple coupons. A free diaper. And some free washing powder. That's definitely good. The washing powder by itself, because Drift is super duper expensive. Peach Patch. All right, let's put this back and see what do we have next. Okay, Peach Patch. Next in our goodie bag, we have a registry guide. Registry guide, Bye Bye Baby. And I guess it's giving you tips and telling you what items you should get and what you should be looking for, what you should be eating, different cribs, changing tables. Okay, registry guide. Then we have Shop and Earn. They're promoting their credit card. Receive a coupon for $25 off $100 when you receive your new Bye Bye Baby credit card. So this is all about their credit card. What else we got up in this bag? Oh, you don't have to buy one of these. Okay, so Bye Bye Baby is giving out free Bye Bye Baby, baby on board, safety first things. So with these, normally, like we were just in Burlington, these are like $1.99 each. So they're anywhere between $1 and $5 depending on where you go. You'll get it for free if you come in Bye Bye Baby. Now these are really good to have in case you're ever in a car accident. They'll know to look in the back seat to see if you have a baby. They also make these for people with autism to let the people know you have a child with autism in the car in case you get in a car accident and the child is nonverbal. So I would highly recommend getting one of these, and it's free if you get a gift bag at Bye Bye Baby, free goodie bag. So that's exciting. What else do we got up in here? We got a bottle. So this looks like one of those colic bottles. Yep. So this is like similar to Dr. Brown's. It's Philips Avent 4-ounce anti-colic bottle with an air-free vent, designed to reduce your feeding issues, colic, gas, and reflux. I've been very fortunate. I've had 5 children at home, pregnant with baby 6. We have never had a child with colic, so we're very grateful for that. But that's cool that that comes in here absolutely free. You can use all the bottles you can get, and then it comes with these little sample things inside as well. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, y'all, I love me some Aquaphor. Aquaphor is really good if the baby has really dry skin. This says fast relief diaper rash paste. So it's a really small size. It's a sample size. See my hand? Sample size, but it's absolutely free. You can always use it, throw it in your purse or something. In case your baby catches a diaper rash, that's good to have. They also have this Pampers lotion sample for stretch marks. And I got stretch marks taller than my kids. Okay, I got a ton of stretch marks. Lotion helps reduce stretch marks. Pampers is a really good lotion. I actually love Pampers cocoa butter. That is one of the things that I use on my face. So highly recommend. You'll get a free sample of that. At Peach Patch, you also get this Mommy Bliss Grip Water. I don't know what this is. relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, hiccups. Who take this, the baby or you?
That's the baby.
Oh, for the baby. So the baby would drink it? Or you rub it on them?
I think that's a rub. I think they either have a rub or a liquid.
Oh, okay, I don't know what this is. Peach Patch, comment down below if you rub it on the baby, drink it. Because it say water. I don't know, but it's supposed to relieve gas, colic, fussiness. I guess colic is popular in kids. Hopefully this baby won't have colic. I don't want to jinx it. I've never had a child with it. And it came with a coupon as well. If you like this product, it comes with $1.50 off, and it doesn't expire until June 30th of 2022. So that's awesome. Never heard of this company. Next, we got Boogie Wipes. Boogie Wipes, gentle saline nose wipes. So you can get the boogies out your nose, the baby nose. Babies be having a lot of boogies and mucus and all that stuff. And lastly, you got a free binky. My baby's first binky, because I ain't bought nothing for this baby yet. So this is a binky. I don't know if that's ma'am. Binky. It's BPA free, skin soft silicone, extra small light, orthodontics, soothes and comforts baby, and this is a newborn size. They got binkies that come in different size now, child. In a day, it was one binky fits all. Okay, so I would say this goodie bag is good. I mean, it's free. You get in a free diaper, some sample wipes you could throw in your purse, some sample rash cream, some sample lotion, a free binky, and a free bottle. The bottle itself makes it worth it. Plus, the biggest thing with me is the fact that you'll get 15% off if you complete a baby registry. So 15% off if people don't buy what's on your registry. So I put the expensive items that I want to buy for myself on my baby registry so I can come purchase it and get a discount. They also do price match promise. I need to ask you about that. So the price match promise, I seen a stroller over there that's in Target for $229.99. Would you match that, and would I still get the 15% off, or is it one or the other?
It's one or the other.
So it's one or the other. Oh, okay, so that's good to know. So you can't use both. I thought I was gonna be able to stack that and get get the stroller for like $207 with tax, because it came up to $195 if you price match and got the 15% discount. I think the price match would be cheaper. Let me calculate just so I know in my mind. Each patch with that, the Target deal is still better. With 15% off of that stroller that was $299.99, it would have been $254 and some change here, versus at Target is $299.99. So it's still cheaper to go the Target route. I wish they let you do both. They let you stack. Oh, that would be awesome. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come check out Bye Bye Baby. See if you want to, not see if you want to. If you come in here, you might as well do a baby registry. You might as well get all the items that you want, that you don't think people will buy, that are expensive. Even if you're not having a baby shower and you're pregnant, just come in here. Even when it comes to clothes, do you get 15% off too? I guess I have to wait till I get that coupon. He said yeah. So even when it comes to baby clothes, put them on your registry if you see stuff you like in here. That way, once you do get that 15% off completion discount, when you're 2 to 3 weeks before your due date, you can come in here and ball out and save some money. And then make sure you do your price match too, and then you got a free bottle you could try for colic. All right, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like for your girl. You like my pictures? Hit her like you like. You like my videos? Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper? Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like for your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.